Variable valve timing, or VVT, reduces emissions and increases performance and fuel economy, but the high-tech system is prone to failure, often from lack of engine oil circulation or moving parts that wear out or fail electronically. Signs of a faulty VVT system include rough idle, stalling, lack of power, engine noise, and a check engine light. With more than 200 part numbers and counting, we offer comprehensive coverage for this high-tech category. Let's take a look. Our VVT solenoids feature hardened steel componentry that limits sticking during sludge buildup, as well as premium O-rings and gaskets that maintain proper oil pressure and prevent oil leaks. Our VVT sprockets, also known as cam phasers, feature OE matching sprocket tooth profiles to ensure quiet operation. What's more, all our VVT components undergo stringent quality control measures, including in-depth design and testing.